spoon, and glass.
The first, pour 4 tablespoons of coffee powder into a glass. Then pour the hot water.
Then stir until smooth.
Next, add ice cube. The last, pour the fresh milk.
And iced coffee milk.